Hey there, Chris Bassett here. Let's go over a few steps to fix your Face ID on your iPhone 16 if it's not working. Face ID on the iPhone 16 series uses a true depth camera system in the front notch. It's a dynamic island area. Here's a visual of the true depth camera location. Common issues include obstructions, software glitches, or hardware problems. There are some basic steps to follow in order based on Apple's official guidance. Number 1, basic checks. Clean the true depth camera. Wipe the top front area gently with a soft cloth. Remove any smudges, dirt, or fingerprints. Remove obstructions. Take off the case, screen protector, or film covering the front camera. Some protectors interfere with the sensors. Make sure the phone's in the correct position. Hold it about arm's length from your face, and make sure that your entire face is visible, no masks, hats, or heavy sunglasses blocking the view. Adjust the lighting and attention. Face ID works in low light, but your eyes need to be open and looking at the screen. If require attention is on in the settings, you can try toggling it off for testing. Alright, let's take a look at some other solutions. Number 2, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and the volume down button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. After restart, enter your passcode first, then Face ID reactivates automatically. Number 3, update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates as they often fix bugs affecting Face ID. Number 4, try resetting your Face ID. Go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode, and then enter your passcode if prompted. Tap Reset Face ID, then tap Set Up Face ID and follow the on-screen prompts. Here's what the setup screen looks like, and don't forget you'll need to move your head in a circle to scan it. A few tips for a better setup: make sure you do it in good lighting without glasses or makeup if possible. You can also add an alternative appearance for changes like with glasses or a beard. Number 5, advanced troubleshooting. You can reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and then Reset all settings. It won't delete the data, but it resets pretty much everything, so use that as a last result. If nothing else works, it could be an issue with the true depth camera after a drop or some damage. You could contact Apple support via the website or visit Apple Store for a free check. Check out some other videos over here. I've got Amazon links down in the description. Help support. Use those links. I really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.